In this video, we're going to cover how to delete a class from your account in Educate. To begin, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your teacher account. Then you can go ahead and click on the Classes menu item. From there, you're going to want to locate the class that you would like to remove from your account. Deleting a class will also take away that class from your students. So just double check to make sure that you're deleting a class that you truly want to delete. So what we're going to do here is we're going to locate our class, and then we're going to hover over it until we see this edit button here. And we're going to go ahead and click that button. Now all we're going to do is scroll to the bottom of the page to edit the class, and then click the delete button. This is just going to remind us that this action cannot be undone, and you'll be allowed to either go ahead and complete that deletion of the class or click cancel to exit out of this option. We're going to go ahead and click the delete button to completely delete the class from our account. Congratulations, you have deleted a class from your teacher account. Now that class will not be available to any students who were previously registered in that class, and it has been completely removed from the Educate platform. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to use the Educate platform.